Hi everyone, I'm Janice and I'm here with another new release. This one is for the Stamp Club set called One in a Melon, and it's probably one of my favorites. I know I say that a lot, but I think I just like everything. This is the stamps that you get, and as you can see, it's all fruit themed and it's so cute. Look at the pears, apples, lemons, avocado, which I learned was a fruit. And then you can have a straw, there's a mason jar, even those little tiny umbrellas. And then it has several sentiments, and I wanted to show you this too. It has two little cute faces that you could put on the fruits. Um, let's see. One of the first ones it says is, you make a great pair, you're one in a melon, have a great day, have a sweet birthday, thank you very much, hope your day is peachy, thanks a melon, and have the zest day. So cute. Let me go ahead and show you the dies that comes with it. Place it on this paper so you can see it better. And then, of course, it has coordinating dies. You can see a lot of the fruits on there. Some of them are actually not stamps. They're just cut out dies. Like this one is one that's just a die that you cut out. And you can see it has like the folds of the inside of a cut sliced apple. Same thing with the pear. And then it also has, let's see, I think I had the bowl on there. And the middle part right here. And this one, you cut it out and it says fruitful. This one's hello and hugs. It's just a lot of cute things on here. This was a lot of fun to work with, and I felt like I was playing the whole time. Let's see. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you some of the ones I made, and we'll see what happens next. Here is one. Just did a bunch of the fruits right here with the foliage. It says, thanks a melon. And this one, I think this is one of my favorites. I just put them all on the background, the limes, lemon shape, and then the slices. Just did different colors, oranges, lemons, limes, and then added some flowers to the front as an accent. And it says, have the zest day. It's my cutesy card. And I put little arms on them. You can see how I drew them. I just did really simple. And then, of course, I added the cute little faces to them. And this one says, have a sweet birthday. This is one of the ones I was playing with. You can see it's like a little picture frame. And you have like a bulletin board, something like that. I wanted something to hang on. Oh my goodness, I forgot what it's called. The pegboard. So I put a little ribbon so it can hang on there, and it says, have a great day. Thinking, since I don't really make that many simple cards, maybe we can make something simple, and we'll go from there. So I'm thinking of doing watermelons. I went ahead and already stamped it onto some scrap paper that I had. Let's see, and I already did a cutout of this sentiment, you're one in a melon. I thought it would be cute to make something with the melons. I did two, just in case I mess up on one. I have the other to do. And we'll just color this, and then we'll die cut it after we're done coloring. I squished the eye just a little bit, so I'm just gonna add some little wispy lashes. And Hopefully that'll make it not look like a mistake. I'm gonna erase some things on here. I learned from someone that commented on one of the videos that the blender pen is like an eraser. I'm still learning. There's so much awesome things out there. All right. Once we're done coloring, we can go ahead and die cut this out. We're gonna set these aside. Go ahead and get your card. I'm using about a 4x6. And then get some ink. I'm gonna use the Metro Gray for this one. And where is my stamping block? Oh, there it is. And we're going to use the watermelon die. So let me get a piece of paper. It could be any paper that you know you're just going to throw away. I'll use some computer paper for this because it's right next to me. And then we're going to stamp. And we're just gonna put it all over the card, just random stamps. Doesn't have to be perfect, just however you feel like. So I'm gonna do some dark ones once I get one that's full. Let's do it like this, and then I'm gonna go back with the second push, and it should give like a really light little stamp. So we're gonna do that. And I do the ones that I do full, not this to do like a double stamp, just because this part would still be dark. That's right here. So I will do this. Oops. Let's see if I can go. This is the hard part. Realigning. And it didn't work. That's okay. Let's put a stamp right there. I actually don't have to use this scrap paper. I have no idea why I said to use that. I guess if I was to do like this, then I can go ahead and do that. So I think that's why. Sometimes I do things and I lose my train of thought, and I'm like, what was I doing? What did I just do? When we're done stamping, it should look something like this. So it has like a darker shade and then the lighter shade right there. And we're going to keep it just like that. I'm actually going to put a little bit of shine on her, I guess. Not really sure what to call it. That would help it. there. Simple card. Okay. And I did want to show you just some other ideas. I die cut 2 of these and turn it into like a little shaker, and you can see like little fruit and icicles. All I did was cut out the main part in the middle and then just lined it with foam tape that I cut small all the way around, and then added this before I put the top layer in. So there's like a lot of cute things that you can do with this card set, which is like so much fun. So we just finished our simple card. I thought, why not add one more card in there just to recreate how I made this one, and because I feel like I messed up right here, so I can redo it. All right, let's get our supplies. We're gonna need about a 4x6 card. You can do 5x7, whichever one you prefer. You can even do a small, let's see, how big is this? 4x4. Let's do that. I'm gonna do a 4x4, just so it can be like a quick little video on how I did this, but in a smaller version. About a quarter of the way up, we're gonna fold this. Let me get my score. In my first card, I originally cut this part off, but I noticed that I took another piece of paper to hide some of the back. So we're gonna keep this on. We're gonna leave it just like that. Next, go ahead and cut out as many fruits, leaves, whatever you like. Go ahead and cut them out and color them. Okay, I finished painting it. I'm gonna let this dry, and I believe this is already dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these out. I had some already left over from that card actually, so I'm gonna use those. That's why I didn't initially stamp these. And just an idea, if you guys have like a lot of little pieces, you can put them like in a little tray, or even put them like in one of these just to organize it. I think it helps a lot. I had some that I already had used from that card, so I went ahead and brought those out. That's why I didn't stamp them and color them. I already did like a rough draft. I just assembled them all together. That's why some of these are glued on. So we're gonna do this right on the line. Make sure you can see it good. So once you know where you want to place them, you can go ahead and glue. I'm only gluing like the center. That way, if I wanted to slide some of the leaves inside, I can. Put this about right here. Next step, and I probably shouldn't have added more than I needed to, but you can stop with just a little bit, or you can do like me and put a lot. Next, We're gonna get some scissors. I'm gonna set these aside for another card. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut off some of the parts that we see. And then you can go ahead and do the die cut for Fruitful. I already did mine with some vellum. And then I lost the little dots, so I'm going to use some crystal drops. If you like to add some ribbon, you can. All I did was just cut it and did like a crisscross. And then you just glue it all down. I'm going to let that dry and then we'll do the bottom. Here is the finished card. You can see it has that shimmer from the embellishment mousse. All right. I hope you like this video and it helps inspire you to come up with some great ideas. I can't wait to see what everyone makes. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting. Bye.